Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using dip powders from Sundara Nails. Now the four colors here are part of Heather's Valentine's Day collection, and that collection is called Love is a Fancy Feeling. So the first color here, it's called Valentina, and it's a really pretty red. So this is more of like a bright pink red, and it is a solid dip color here, and it's super vibrant and bright. And then the next color here, it's Love Bug. Now Love Bug is really fun. So as you can see here, it looks like a whitish glitter here with some fun hearts and lip pieces in here, but it also is a thermal changer, and I really like the white iridescent glitter here, and the lips and the heart are super fun. But then the UV changer, it's more of like a pinkish color here, pinkish purple, and I think it's really pretty. And then Hot Stuff is another fun one. Now this one is a pink, red, and silver glitter, and it has like holographic glitters in there, and this is definitely more of a finer glitter. And then Beloved is probably one of my favorites. Now this is a milky white base, and then it has pinks and gold foils in here, and it also has some fine glitters, and it's really pretty. And then here are all four of them together. Isn't this just like the perfect combo here? It was so hard to pick what colors I was going to use today for the mani, so I was like, we're just going to use them all because they're all so pretty. And then here is Heidi's collection. This one is Love Me Sexy, and then this is the entire collection of Heidi and Heather's. Now if you're new to Sundara Nails, Heidi and Heather both come out with dip collections during the holidays, and they're really fun. Now for today's mani, we are going to be dipping on my natural nails without any enhancements, and we're going to be using the Odorless dip liquids. Before we start the mani, we're going to go in with some peel base. This is Sundara Nails peel base. This is the Easy Peel Off. Now peel base can be a tricky animal, so what works best for me is I will do one full layer of the peel base, and I can get about a week's worth of my manis without any issues with that one layer of the peel base. If I want it to come off sooner, I can also put some cuticle oil and kind of get under that dip powder with it gently with an orange wood stick, and I can remove it sooner. But if I don't do any of that, it will last me about a week with that one coat of the peel base. Now peel base works different for everybody. It's just basically a whole bunch of trial and error to see what works for you and your body chemistry. Everyone's a little bit differently. So just because one coat works for me does not necessarily mean one coat of peel base is going to work for you. So just keep that in mind. Sometimes you might need 2 full layers of the peel base, or 2 full layers and then a stripe down the middle. It's a lot of trial and error, and I know peel base can be a little bit frustrating, but it's definitely very rewarding at the end. So now we're dipping into that first color here, and you will notice after I tap off that powder right here that it looks a little bit patchy and I'm missing some spots of the dip powder. That has nothing to do with the dip powder itself. That is a me problem. So when I am using peel base, my dip liquids tend to dry instantly with that first dip, but then once I go in with a second layer of dip powder in the dip base, it looks completely normal. If you ever have that problem, another way to reduce that patchiness problem is after you apply your peel base, you could go ahead and apply a layer of dip base on your nails. Let that dry completely, and then you can start with your regular dipping process. I will say that I am slightly a little nervous to be dipping on my natural shorty nails today. For a little over a year now, I have had enhancements on my nails from Builder Gel, the jelly tip, so this is definitely a change of pace for me. And these nails that we're dipping into here today, the shorties, are a little bit longer than I prefer. I know you're probably like, those are super short. I know they are, but I have a tendency when I do not have an enhancement or any like product on my nails, I will go ahead and pick my nails so then they're extra short. I know that is a bad habit, but this is a judgment-free zone, so we will not go there. So let's dive into this mani process, and then I will pop back in at the end.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spreading in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the spoken. Don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul. I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life. You'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your harder temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. Baby, you can count on me now. When you're falling down, 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 I will find a light in your soul. I'll be there. Leaving you alone is the hardest, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life. You'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your harder temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your harder temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. Wow. Yeah, yeah. On your own. Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, 'cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, no, not yet. Whoa, I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, 'cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, no, not yet. Whoa, but I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. 'cause I'm happy. I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, 'cause I'm happy. I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, I'm not gonna wake up.
All right, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. It actually was super fun to change it up a bit and dip on some shorty nails. If you liked this mani today with the short nails, definitely let me know in the comments below, or give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more of this type of video on my channel, because I kind of want to do another video now on some shorties. All right, so I will go ahead and link everything that we used in today's mani in the description box below, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.